In a notable political development, former Baghmara MLA Samuel M. Sangma has made a significant move by officially joining the ruling National People's Party led by Conrad Sangma. This decision is expected to bolster the NPP's position ahead of the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections. Samuel Sangma, along with his supporters, was welcomed into the NPP during an official induction ceremony at the Baghmara NPP party office, where key party leaders and cabinet ministers that include Marquis Marak and Rakam A. Sangma were present. This shift in allegiance marks another chapter in Samuel Sangma's political journey, having previously been associated with the United Democratic Party before parting ways in 2022 and later aligning with the Bharatiya Janata Party for the 2019 elections, albeit without success.
Kampana atang tampo orkane singa na salo napaha. Yang sasani salongja sagani salongja. Aniba bekam cina kumonge jatna asongna. Kumonge kamna bukana parti donge kampana singa reba. Angaya na reba naska angni mandira baksa kumonga. Wamang cina nega singa nasima Aceng tahu NPP parti nape napuaga nasima ramai ko ba akan germa nesna. Wamang ba kushi kongen bakremen ang baksa rebay NPP partiyo dongi kampo kana kushima. Wani man bekangci aceng NPP parti na kampo kana. Dalam berkamu aceng ni kampana nanging apa doma MP election wano kumon kampana nanging. Tentang mandira atang tangni skapa agan. Aliba sana kam kagen, banyak parti na kam kagen, hukum somanende, amosa gen. Unima ayat jen, darang ni, tentang kata ko agan gitu mumpa, beberan jawa, kenalan jawa. Ia nak kali kam, ani ayat jen parti non kali kam kenalan